Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. If you first visit my YouTube channel, please subscribe and complete watch the video. Today I want to explain fire extinguishers related. What is parts of fire extinguishers and what is the use method of fire extinguisher. So you see this clip and use of fire extinguishers. Use method pass. This mean of pass pull the pull first pull out the pin on the top of the second aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Third method, squeeze the handle at the top of the canister. Fourth method, sweep the nozzle back and front across the base of the fire until the flames are fully extinguished. It's part of fire extinguisher. Valve assembly, hose and release lever, temper seal, pull the safety pin, handle extinguishing agent, inside tank, propellant, inside tank, cylinder tank. So it's again about to apply this CO2 fire extinguishers picture and these parts of fire extinguishers. So firstly started discharge, lever, safety pin, carrying handle, pressure gauge, pickup, tab, gas, sensor, extinguisher agent, discharge nozzle. So I hope you are understand my words and understand this fire extinguishers all parts. So hopefully you understand this complete video. Thank you so much and please share this video all your friends.